Are you looking for the best brother sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best brother sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother XM 2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM 2701 sewing machine offers versatility as it provides automated features and numerous built-in stitches for advanced sewists along with ease of operation for beginners. The Brother XM 2701 sewing machine is easy to operate, making it a viable choice for beginners. On the other hand, it boasts a wide array of stitch options as well as automated features that appeal to experienced sewing enthusiasts. Stitch options include multiple decorative and quilting stitches along with basic, straight stitches for seams and basting. With 27 built-in stitches and 63 stitch functions, users can create crafts, fashions, home decor items, and quilts. Although it is not a computerized machine, the XM 2701 offers several automated features to make sewing projects go more smoothly and quickly. For example, the automatic needle threader eliminates the frustration and eye strain that come with threading the needle by hand. An automatic, one-step buttonhole function saves time and ensures consistent, professional-looking results. Additionally, the task of winding the bobbin is an automatic process. Several convenient features make the XM 2701 a popular and versatile sewing machine. The jam-resistant, drop-in bobbin is located on the top of the machine to speed up the sewing process. The work area is brightly lit by an LED light. Additionally, the free arm feature makes it easy to manipulate the fabric when sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pants. The XM 2701 model includes 6 interchangeable feet to accomplish multiple sewing tasks, including buttonhole foot, zipper foot, zigzag foot, narrow hemmer, blind stitch, and button sewing foot. Number 2. Brother XR 9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. With computerized, push-button stitch selection and automatic functioning, the Brother XR 9550 sewing machine offers advanced features for quilters, crafters, and hobbyists as well as sewing artists. For the avid sewist who is ready to take their craft to a more sophisticated level, the Brother XR 9550 computerized sewing machine provides numerous features to spark the imagination and facilitate creative success. The machine offers 165 built-in stitches. These include utilitarian and decorative stitches along with heirloom stitches. Choose from among 8 different buttonhole styles and the machine will automatically sew a tailored buttonhole around any button. For monogramming and personalizing projects, a selection of 55 alphanumeric stitches facilitates automatically sewing letters, numbers, and symbols onto fabrics. Numerous features of this machine provide ease of operation, taking the stress and frustration out of sewing. The built-in stitches are clearly marked on the front of the machine. Simply push a button for the computerized stitch selection function and a backlit LCD display shows the appropriate choice. Additionally, this machine includes an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant, top drop-in bobbin. Quilters appreciate the drop-feed feature that facilitates free sewing for quilting. The work surface is illuminated with a bright LED light and the extra-wide table allows quilters to handle bulky fabrics and large projects. Alternatively, sewists can use the free arm to sew sleeves, cuffs, and trouser legs. The XR 9550 includes 7 interchangeable sewing feet along with accessories, including zigzag foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, overcasting foot, blind stitch foot, monogramming foot, quilting foot, protective, hardcover, and an instructional DVD. Number 3. Brother SE 1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Sewists can achieve artist-quality results in creative DIY projects by choosing from among 138 built-in embroidery designs included in the Brother SE 1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Take your sewing and crafting projects to the artist level with the Brother SE 1900 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Select from among 138 built-in embroidery designs and see them displayed on the large-size, full-color, LCD touchscreen. Alternatively, users can import new designs and save them to the machine. Additionally, the machine is capable of combining designs and storing them in its memory. Measuring 5 inches by 7 inches, the embroidery field provides ample versatility for creative sewists. A hoop is included to facilitate larger embroidery designs, so users are limited only by their imaginations. The 240 built-in stitches inspire customizing a plethora of crafting, quilting, and garment-making activities. Among the stitch options, the SE1900 offers 11 built-in fonts for monogramming and personalizing the original projects. Additionally, 10 styles of buttonhole stitches facilitate automatic sewing of precisely sized buttonholes. Several convenient features of this computerized machine take the effort and frustration out of sewing pursuits. The advanced, automatic needle threader eliminates threading the needle by hand. Instead, the thread inserts precisely through the eye of the needle with a simple press of a lever. The jam-resistant feature facilitates a consistent feed of thread from the top drop-in bobbin, preventing the work delays that come with tangled threads. With a maximum speed of 850 stitches per minute along with labor-saving features for smooth operation, sewing on the SE1900 is an enjoyable and inspiring experience. Number 4. ABrother CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine. The easy-to-use ABrother CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine is a top choice for beginners to embark on a learning adventure in the world of sewing, quilting, and crafting. Use the ABrother CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine to embark on a lifelong hobby of sewing, crafting, and quilting. It offers straightforward, easy-to-use operating procedures, suitable for beginning sewers. An array of 60 built-in stitch options is prominently displayed on the front of the machine. Make a choice by simply pressing a button and the information shows up on the clearly visible LCD screen. In addition to decorative and heirloom stitches, the machine offers a selection of 7 auto-size, buttonhole stitches. With a fixed needle bar, this machine is particularly well suited for beginning sewers. The needle remains fixed in place to ensure clean stitching and even seam lines. Additionally, the 2-step, automatic needle threader accurately pushes the thread through the eye of the needle. It saves time and frustration so that beginners can enjoy their sewing activities. The CP60X is a versatile sewing machine for multiple purposes. With its heavy-duty frame and exceptionally smooth feed system, the machine handles denim and other thick fabrics without snagging. A favorite feature of quilters, the drop feed system allows free motion sewing. Additionally, the machine facilitates free-arm sewing for constructing shirts, cuffs, and trousers. This CP60X provides an ample collection of accessories to get started with a sewing hobby. These include a 3-piece needle set, bobbins and a bobbin cover, a quilt guide, and a bilingual instruction manual. The included supply of 7 interchangeable feet facilitates multiple types of sewing tasks, including blind stitch foot, zigzag foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, overcasting foot, zipper foot, and monogramming foot, used for decorative stitches only. Number 5. ABrother XR3774 Sewing and Quilting Machine. With built-in stitches for both utilitarian and decorative applications along with automatic features and an extra-wide table that accommodates quilts, the ABrother XR3774 is a standout machine for quilters. He is a mechanical sewing machine with automated features and a large workspace for bulky projects. The large throat area and the extra-wide work table make the ABrother XR3774 sewing and quilting machine a viable choice for quilters. For projects other than quilts, sewists may utilize the free arm. This feature facilitates sewing sleeves, cuffs, trousers, and skinny jeans. In addition to providing ample space for quilting, this machine offers ease of use through several automated functions. The 1-step buttonhole stitch automatically turns out perfectly sized buttonholes. An automatic needle threading system eliminates the frustrating task of threading the needle by hand. Simply press a lever on the side of the machine and the thread inserts precisely through the eye of the needle. Additionally, the top drop-in bobbin winds automatically, and it's jam-resistant to ensure a smooth, continuous feed of thread. The XR3774 includes 37 built-in stitches that produce 74 stitch functions when applied to various sewing tasks. These include both utilitarian and decorative stitch options for multiple sewing and quilting purposes. The 37 preset stitches are prominently displayed on the front of the machine. Select a unique stitch pattern by simply turning a dial to the appropriate number.